Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Daniela Cabrona and Happy New Year! We are out here. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you guys so much for always just coming and watching me. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my trip to Monterrey, Nuevo León, which is a city in northern Mexico. Now, I've been here all of my life and I've never ever stepped outside of just the 3 little neighborhoods that my family stays in, so this trip was extra special. I'm so glad to be sharing with you that I went to Chipinque, which is a mountain that I got to hike, and I also went to La Huasteca, which was more of like a canyon. It's like a canyon wall. I'm like really bad at like nature terms, but I was out there and I was doing the damn thing. It was beautiful, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and my next video will be the city-esque part of Monterrey, so if that's your thing, look out for that one.